Welcome. If you wanna add events to calendar in your Huawei P40 Lite E, and then we have to move, of course, to the calendar. And right now click on this marker, and first we have to add the title. And as you can see, you can set up other things like location, account, repeat, time zone, the reminder, and of course when this event is going to start and the end. So if you set up everything, you just click here on this marker in the right upper corner to confirm it. And as you can see, there is our event. So thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.